Right, gentlemen. Lady Farida,
Sir, sir.
your name and chest number quickly.
Joseph, chest number 2.
10 Mohit.
16 Kishore.
19 Anju.
20 Supriya.
24 Dinesh.
Supriya.
24 Dinesh.
Just number 30, Sibyl.
Just number 32 Nitish.
42 Arjun.
44 Aman. 46 Rishikesh. 48 Tirumalai.
50 Rajkumar.
56 Prasad.
Chest number 78 Subhash.
Just number 80, Swami.
Start.
Friends, in the picture, I saw a serene garden with one character, and the perception of the character is neutral, has a neutral mood. So Rishabh is a young graduate who had finished his graduation in a recent while. Since he graduated from a nearby university which he has aimed at before, it was in a far off city. So he had to be in a boarding school. So once he had done his graduation, he came to his hometown, and on his thought, like when he was grazing through the garden and helping his parents with the errands of plucking an apple, he realized that he was often reminded by his friends of how his courage and how his involvement in social structure and social functioning had always been fruitful and in a planned way. So realizing this, on one day in a neutral mood, he decided to take his future and do a career in which all of these valor, the principles he had, the amount of involvement in his social structure, he thought that he should do a profession in which he can utilize this efforts. So from then on, he decided that it was time to be serious, function as a very good citizen, and provide everything necessary so that he could work his way to a successful career.
Name.
Friends, in the picture, I saw a village. There are two characters. I pursue that. Vikas is a young boy, college student. On Sunday, with friends, they decide to play a football match. While going to the stadium, because Vikas saw that there is a old man who is trying to plucking the fruits from the tree, but he is unable to pluck the fruits because he was too old. That's why they decided that they will not go for a football match and they will help the old man. Then with the help of the friends, Vikas climbed up the tree and plucked the fruits. After that, they put all the fruits in a basket and give to the old seller. After that, the old seller appreciated the work of the boys. Thank you.
In the picture, I saw a village where there was a house with a garden and a tree with full of fruits. In that picture, there are two characters, one male and female. Anish, a brave young man of age 30, is the main character in the story. One day, Anish was standing on the terrace and he saw that his sister was plucking fruits from the tree. All of a sudden, he saw a leopard on the boundary wall. He realized that if he indicates about that to her sister, she will rush up and the scenario will worsen. So at the same time, he used his presence of mind, and instead of indicating all of a sudden, he rushed up to his sister, and opposed the leopard so that leopard run away from the boundary wall and saved his sister's life. Thank you.
Friends, I saw a young woman plucking fruit from a tree, and what I with another character, and what I perceived is that Payal is a graduate from agricultural engineering, and she was helping her parents to continue the business of selling fruits and vegetables. Instead, she thought of contributing some young women, and she trained them and started a small business in jam company. And in this way, she was able to start a small scale business with unemployed women in the area, and as well as raise the income of the family. Thank you.
Friends, what I saw in the image is a female character, age of 20 to 25, and in a positive mood. What I've perceived from the image is Prerna, who is a young BSc Agriculture graduate, and she has taken up this career as her family background itself was forming, and her father was having an issue that his father was having an issue of the harvesting, and the harvesting was very low. The harvesting was low, and she understood what was the issue. That was because the soil was not fertile, and in order to make the soil more fertile, she proposed an idea of organic farming, and she tried that in her house. And with the help of organic farming, she was able to increase the harvesting at her place. And with this idea in her mind, she even thought of improving the whole village's agriculture problem. And she took the help of all the young people who are educated, and she made a group, and she also gave a talk about how they can improve the organic farming. And with the help of that, whole village's problem of less fertile soil because of using the chemical fertilizers was reduced, and whole village harvesting was improved. And in this way, she was also appreciated for her work by the villagers. Thank you.
Friends, in this picture, I perceived a good character whose name is Divya, who is in hospital. Her age is 20. She has one brother whose name is Bala, who recently completed BSc Agriculture in one of the reputed college. After that, they have hereditary land, which is about 20 years. They didn't do any agricultural activities, and it left unkept. So, in order to initiate his, in order to use his knowledge and to improve his land, he decided to crop some plantation. So he visited to nearby agricultural office with the land soil and water, and he tested with. After 1 week, they get the positive result. After that, he planted the mango plantation, and also insist his hard work and grow successfully. After 2 years, the mango will grow. After that, he along with his sister go to the mango field and pluck the fruit and eat it. Thus, he got the fruit of success for his hard work as reward. Thank you, friends.
Friends, in this picture, I saw a village and one main character, and I perceived that Aramal, a 23-year-old man, was standing behind a tree which he was planted during his matriculation on an environmental day. And he realized that the number of trees in that area, compared to the last 5 years, it was decreasing at a very fast rate. And he took an initiative, and he gathered all the young men there and made a club. And during that club meeting, he addressed that the rate of trees is decreasing, and we should do something very fast to increase the rate of trees and to find the essential oxygen that needed for the man. And also during his meeting, he said that by planting trees, he can service environment. Also, he can service people in the country, and he said that serving people is serving nation. Thank you.
Friends, in the picture I saw two male characters of 22 years young men who were positive and mood. I perceived that Manuj was a young man of 22 years. He was studying BCA, and he graduated in BCA final year. He wrote his exams, and in the vacations he went to his village with his friend who was interested in village life and who didn't have a chance to go to village. But he took him to the village and helped him see how the village life is by showing him the village, the farm, and his pets in the house. And he showed them where the farming are done and how they distribute the harvest and stuff. So he took him and encouraged him to stay in the village and get a better life. Thank you.
Friends, I saw a village in the picture with just one male character. The main character is Akshay. He is a college student, and the story goes on in his summer vacations. 4 years back, while he was studying in class 10, his family had a financial problem, and due to the financial problem, the family's meeting the ends were very tough. So he thought of an idea. His family had a barren land some distance away, and he thought of farming there. Since there was acute shortage of water, he decided to take a loan and dig a borewell. And he did, and he dug a borewell, and with his hard work during his vacations, he was able to plant so many mango trees. And in the next 4 years, he continuously looked after them, and now he is able to reap good harvest during his summer vacations, and is able to supplement his family income. And thus he was able to solve his family issues, as well as now he has a good mango growth. Thank you.
Friends, what I saw in the picture is the mango farm, and with one character having an age group of 23, and he was in the positive mode. What I saw in the picture is, when Sushi is a young boy at the age group of 23, he was pursuing his engineering in mechanical in a reputed college. Once during his vacation, he came to his farm where he saw that his father was working alone. So he analyzed that how struggle his father was taking for our sake. So he came to know that he analyzed the situation, and he came forward and joined his hands towards the work. So finally the work completed quickly, and the father proud of him looked to the son's actions, and he went home happily. Thank you.
Friends, in the picture I saw a mango orchard with one character in it. Rajesh is a young farmer of the age 23, and recently he was disturbed by a news. He was very worried that all the fruits and vegetables in the market were fully dipped with insecticides or pesticides. So he took an initiative to grow organic vegetables and fruits. So he gathered all the villagers of his village, and he advised them and showed them new and efficient techniques on how to grow organic fruits. So initially they planned on starting with fruits. They all planted mango trees. And once the mangoes were ripe enough, they plucked it and they sold it in the market. It was very well accepted in the market. They sold it cheaper, so all the people will buy than the normal pesticide-filled mangoes. So in this way, he served the society by promoting everyone's health. Thank you.
Friends, I saw a fruit garden with the two characters. I perceive it. People are plucking mangoes for flood affected area and serving for that. Varun is my main character. He's a hero. He's 25 years old, and he's working in a reputed company. And he's also keen to work for a society. While reading his newspaper, he came to know that his near state got affected by the heavy flood. So he decided to help them. For that, he called his friends and collected so many materials. And also, he involved his sister in this organization. And also, with her help, he got so many fruits. And with the support of his organization, he sent it to the flood affected area. Finally, his approach was encouraged by so many persons, and his sister also got appreciation from Varun. Finally, they were happy. Thank you.
Friends, picture shown to us, there is a one character. The character name is Dinesh. Dinesh, 20 years young man. He's a positive mode. He's the hero of my story. He's completed the degree courses from the reputed university. He's returned to the old village. He saw a big tree nearby the pond. The pond was very dirty and polluted, polluted by the people that are using the more plastics and many plastic materials. So he pointed the problem, he gave the awareness to the people. Do not use the plastics, use the organic items, and note the problems to the people and use the biomedical, and also the water should be in boiled water. Thank you.
Okay, friends, in this picture, I saw one character, is a woman.
His age is 23. His name was Deepika. And another here I considered one woman. His age is 23. Name is Deepak. He is completed BTech. Okay. She is completed MBBS in Pune, and after that he decided to give free treatment to old town people, those people who are living in that village. One Sunday he decided to visit from outside. While he liking the mango, one dog followed her. He's scared about that. After that, she saw one boy, woman. He's my hero. He helped to her. One day, he helped to her. After that, he informed to the president of the village. After the president solved that problem, and she was very happy. That's it. Thank you.
Friends, what I see in the picture is a man plucking an apple from the tree. Who is a 24-year-old, mood is positive. He is an agriculture graduate. After completing his post-graduation in agriculture, he thought of doing apple farming. So that he purchased an apple farm. After purchasing the apple farm to increase the productivity, he was thinking what to do. He got an idea to switch over to organic farming. So that he called his workers and asked them to not use any chemical fertilizers and switch over to organic farming. And so thus his productivity has increased, and he grew into a huge business. I think it also inspired many other of his competitors. His competitors were also switched over to organic farming, so that it was very helpful for themselves and also to the people. Thank you.
Friends, in the picture I saw a village that's beautiful but an old village, and a character who's a male at the age of 28. Harish